Hey guys, Jay Lamb here with Deadmau5. Hey guys, Jay Lamb here with Buzz Aldrin. Hey guys, Jay Lamb here with ChrisFix.
Hey guys, ChrisFix here. How's it going? Jay, I have a problem. So I've been racing lemons recently, and I keep breaking stuff.
Yeah, it happens all the time, so we asked eBay Motors to help.
eBay Motors to the rescue. And I heard they said that they're going to be sending us a box of stuff to fix any race car for any of our problems.
So the question now is, what goes in the box? We don't know. Chris doesn't know. What should eBay put in the box? All the parts you need at a race to fix your broken race car. Put it in the comments right here. Let us know.
And I got one to start with everybody. Zip ties. Zip ties. So you can't do that one. It has to be something else.
And also, Bondo, too easy. Don't say Bondo.
We kind of used Bondo in our last... Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry about it.
Hey guys, Jay Lamb here with Daft Punk.